Yes. But today what we will do, we will start some installing process. So how to install a JDK. So last time we had a look, right, like what is the different JDK versions and who was the vendor of the software and how to download it, correct?
Correct.
So once if you download it, you will get this exe files like this. I have already downloaded. So just I'm showing you. You will get this kind of thing. You can see the bit version and JDK version.
Manohar, are you recording the video?
Yes, I already started.
Oh, okay, nice. Oh, okay, nice.
It's better. Good remember every day. If I'm not recording, you can start from your side also.
Okay, nice. Okay, sure.
So that will be good. Okay. So for every software, for every JDK, right, you can able to see the bit version, like operating system version and JDK version.
Right.
JDK version, and after that you will see some number also, like 21. So what it mean? For every JDK, for every version also, they will release subversions to fix some of the issues. See that 21, right? So 21 means maybe they are releasing 20, 21, 22, something like that, to fix some of the versions in JDK 1.5 itself.
Okay.
So that is the naming standards of their one. 8, 92 is some of the versions, software versions. In JDK 8, they have multiple versions.
Right.
So then in that case, you can download any JDK version. But better try to download always in 8 with the latest number.
Okay.
So this is one of the basic naming conversion what they used to follow. After that, so how to install it? So to install it, what you have to do? So first download this one from the Oracle website. Okay. Then we have to follow some of the steps. Download the exe file. First step. Okay. So after that, what you have to do? You have to do the double click of this one.
I think I have downloaded the update.
You have already downloaded, right? Just you need to follow the steps. So you have to click it. You will get that yes or no. We need to accept the terms and conditions, all those things. Yes, it is coming up now. So you will get this window first. Yes. So you can see this one, JDK 8 update something. Then just it's displaying some message. What do you do? Just click next. So this is a very important window you need to learn. When nobody will explain what is this, people will just do next. They will try to finish it as okay. So here, right, what is, so here we need to learn so many things. If you see here, right, so here you can able to see development tools. Correct? Development tools, source code, and JRE. 3 options is there. Okay, and you will see another option, change. And you will see some other option change. Yes, if you see development tools, source code, and JRE, correct?
Mhm.
Okay, these three we will see later. We will see before that. You can see there is install to. So what is install to? And it's displaying some C program files, Java, JDK, something. So what it
Mhm.
means? So we are trying to install a software, right? So
Mhm.
where you want to install in your machine? You want to install in C drive, D drive, or E drive, or F drive. So that location by default, right? All the softwares it is trying to install in C drive program files.
Correct.
If you don't like this location, if you want to install into some other locations, I don't even generally I don't like to install into C drive. I used to prefer go to change the drive. I want to install in my D drive.
Okay.
So in D drive, I have my one folder called installation. Inside that, so I used to create a new folder like a JDK8, something like that. JDK8 temp. Why? Because just I want to remove it later. So you can create your own folder. So you can create your own folder, then select. So that is the main purpose of this change option. Basically, if you want to change the installation location from C drive to some other drive, you can select it.
Correct.
This is fine, right? Now come back to the three options. These three are very important. Okay. Generally, people will not see this thing. They will do just next, 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 and they will finish the installation. But there is a lot of stories behind but for these three options. The first one is development tools. See, if when I select development tools, if you see here, right, there is some information is changing. Correct. And see, it's displaying Java software environment development kit 8 blah blah blah. This will require 180 MB space on your drive. So if you select this option, see, if you want to, so by default this option will be selected for installation. If you don't like, okay, this is mandatory. See, development tools, right? If you select this one, it will take 180 MB space in your drive.
Okay.
But this is mandatory for your Java development. So you are not able to do unselect. Did you see any unselect option here?
No.
No. So this is mandatory. You are not able to do uncheck. Let me go for second option. See, if I select second option, it is telling 27 MB it's required. So what is the purpose of this source code? If you don't want this one, you can select this cross mark. Then it will not install in your machine. Okay, and you can able to save 27 MB. I will tell you why we need it. So for time being, try to understand it will take 27 MB. Okay.
Okay.
And the third one, if you see here, right, if you don't like it, select it, and you can able to save 110 MB space.
Right. It's just like moreover, whenever you're downloading it, is by default it's a
Yes,
development.
by default it is trying to install, but explicitly if you don't want, you can do uncheck, like red cross mark you will see over here.
So you can reduce your space.
You can reduce your space. That is one thing. And another thing, so basically what is the advantage and what is the disadvantage if you remove these things? So first one is development tool. The purpose of development tool is, right, so basically we are trying to install the software to develop some of the Java code, correct? Java programs or Java projects, correct?
Mm-hmm.
That is the main purpose of this software. So the first one, it will provide the all the development support tools. So we need it, right? Definitely.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what you don't have an option to uncheck. So definitely you have to install the software, this piece of software or this selection. You
Mm.
got it right, this point. So basically it will provide development tools for Java project. So in that case, you have to install, you have to check as a selection option for installation.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the main purpose of the first one. And the second one, right? So what is the purpose of second one, right? So this software also developed by using Java.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to see their source code, so what are the files they have written, I mean how many lines of code they have written by using for this software development for JDK, they will give their source code also. You got it
Right.
right? So if you want to see their source code, then you can select this option. It is optional. See, if you do uncheck, right, the source code will come, but that is there in byte format. You are not able to read it.
Mm.
If you
Okay.
select this one, then you can able to read the source code. If you select uncheck, then the source code will be there, but you are not able to read it.
Oh, okay. So readable purpose you needed that.
Yes, if you want to read it, that is an optional.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to read their source code, you select it. If you don't want to read, then you can do uncheck.
Okay.
So that is the second purpose. And the third purpose is, right, so right now what we are doing, first we will develop the code, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to run the program, so we need a runtime environment, Java runtime environment.
Okay.
If you don't want to run, just if you want to do only development, then you can ignore it. If you want to run your program, then select it. First, you will do two steps. Anyway, when I'm doing the sample program, that time I will do, first you will do development program. After that, what you will do? Running the program. Correct? First you have to develop some program, then only you can able to run it and you can able to see the results. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
So if you don't want to run it, want to develop only this thing, then you can select JRE. You can select or unselect. This is an optional. These two are optional. Based on your requirement, you can select these two options. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Then what you do? Then next. Then it will try to install the three options whatever you selected. For all the softwares, you will see, for all the versions, you will see that three options. Either 1.4 or 1.5, 6, 7 or 8. For everything, you will see, as of now, the three options. For 1.9, we don't know how they are going to implement it. So because as of now 1.9 is not released into the market.
Okay. I have downloaded, but I haven't. I don't think I have extracted.
Okay. You have to follow, you are using Windows or Mac?
I'm using Mac.
Yes, you have to follow the same steps. You will get this kind of option when you are trying. So what I will do, first I will install in my machine. You just have a look. Then next time, right, what you will do, you will share your screen.
Okay.
So when you are installing, you share your screen and I can able to help you on that.
Mm-hmm.
Even I did same thing for Mustafa also.
Hmm.
I did same thing. First I installed and then he had some problem. Then he shared his screen. Then we did installation. We fixed
Oh,
that issue. Okay, first I will explain one time so that you will get some idea. After that we will try to install in your machine as well.
sure.
Okay, now you will get some other option, some other selection. What is the selection of this one, right? So when we are trying to install the previously, we have three options: development tools and source code, and the last one is JRE, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So JRE, for to install JRE, it will ask where you want to install, in which location you want to install. So again, it is trying to install in C program files. If you don't like that location, change it as per your wish.
Okay. Yeah.
I used to install all the softwares in my D drive. Select OK and next. Then it will take some time. And this is a open source. Like if you want to practice at your home, you can
Mm-hmm.
download it and you can. But in the big companies, like, right, so what they have to do, they have to buy the license.
Yeah. Is it for the certain time that I can use, or is it
No,
like?
it will work for lifelong. I'm telling for small people, for development purpose, they will not ask anything. For big companies, right? If say for instance there is a big company working some lakhs of people, so that time they have to buy the license.
Hmm.
Otherwise, they will come for audit purpose. These Oracle people.
Mm-hmm.
Then if they see without license, if they are running the software, then they will put lot of fine.
Mm-hmm.
So now this telling installation is success. Did you see the top message? Successfully installed.
Mm-hmm.
Now what it will do, if you click next step, right, it will give some information like API documentation, developer guides, release notes, some stuff, some notepad, something it will open.
Okay. The file directory.
It's okay. That's basically it will open some notepad like this. See, it
Okay.
will open and it will give some instructions like this. That's all. It is just for our understanding purpose.
Okay.
There is some problem, so it's not opening.
Okay.
So the file directory syntax is incorrect. It will open a notepad and it will display some message just for our understanding purpose, and you can close it. Now installation is done. After that, we need to do some other steps. What is that steps? The third one is, right. So right now we know the Java software installation location, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So what we have to do, we have an environment variable. We
Mm-hmm.
need to set up some of the
Very well.
environment variable update. So environment variable update. In that we have a two steps. One is we need to update. Sorry, this. So first one is we need to update Java underscore home variable.
Mm-hmm.
So what is this Java underscore home variable and where we need to update? We will see. First, right, open your computer and go to the installation location. Yes, this is my installation location.
Mm-hmm.
Correct. And just today I installed. If you see that 1120,
Mm-hmm.
and copy this location wherever you installed. Copy the location.
Mm-hmm.
Now open your computer, my computer, and click off my computer. Just right click,
Okay.
and then you will get properties option.
Mm-hmm.
Just click that one, and you will see advanced system options. Click
Mm-hmm.
that one,
Yeah.
and you will see what window.
Yeah.
Okay, there is so many tabs is there: computer, hardware, system protection. So you need to click on Advanced tab.
And just set up the.
Yes. Click on Advanced tab. Then at the just below you will see Environment Variables.
Correct.
Click that one.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, here, right, what you have to, you have to add one entry, new entry.
Mm-hmm. The one
Click
that we
here.
just.
Yes. The variable name is Java_home.
Correct.
So add Java_home and paste the path whatever I copied.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So Java_home is the standard name and your installation location.
Mm-hmm.
This point is clear, right?
Correct.
And
Actually,
after,
that, yeah.
yes, after that, what you have to do, click on OK.
Mm-hmm.
Then you will see this option over here, Java_home and your software installation location.
Right.
So this is first step one. After that, we have second step. Again, go back to your installation location. If you see here, you will see one folder called bin.
Mm-hmm.
I will explain you later what is lib, bin, jre, db, everything I will explain you. So as part of second step, we have to go to the bin location. Copy this location. So what is the second step? We have to update path. Path is this one.
Mm-hmm.
And Java home, what we updated without bin.
Uh-huh.
So Java home, we added the location till installation. Path we need to add till installation plus bin. So that is the difference between Java home and path locations. So now go back to again the same window. Here we need to add one more entry. So click here new. So add the entry name is path. Okay. And the value is whatever you copied till installation slash bin. Okay.
Right.
Just add one more slash dot.
Okay.
So dot means it will try to look for the current installation location also, whatever it's available. That we will tell you later. Just try to remember for time being slash dot.
Okay.
Okay. And click on OK after that. I will do cancel. Why? Because I have already installed these steps. So Java home is ready and you will see path also. So these two variables you have to add for your system.
Correct.
So now installation is almost done. Finally we need to verify the testing. So whether the installation is success or not. So how to verify the installation process? So for just we did installation. Finally we have to test, right, whether the installation is success or not. So how to test it? So you need to open a terminal window. So go to Windows or CMD. So you will get this black window, the terminal window. So how to test it? So Java C, just press enter.
Okay.
Not Java C, Java. Just Java and press enter. You will see some of the options.
Okay.
So if you see some of the options, it is correct. The installation is success. Okay. Yeah. You're asking something?
No, I was gonna. Okay, I will do it. No, no worry.
Yeah.
Just for side
So
note.
you need to exit. If you want, you can make a note from your side. That will be very good. Also, I will make the steps what we are doing here.
I was gonna say if you can put it the tab and then it just a Java, just the
Yes,
comment.
yes, definitely. Testing process. So you will get so many options. Press enter and it's kind of help. If you can able to see these many options means your installation is success. Okay. And another thing is how to know what JDK version is installed. There is so many versions, right? Does our JDK 8 is installed or 5 is installed or 6 is installed? How to know that one? There is another command, java hyphen version, single, press enter.
Okay. So it shows this.
It will show JDK 1.8.0.92 something, and the current build version and bit version. So it is, you are running with 64-bit version and the build version is 1.8, and they have their own versions, 92 software version. Build version basically this one. Build, you know, right? Whenever developers are fixing, they will release new version of code and the testers will test with the new version of code, correct? So this is basically, even they have their own build version.
Right.
So this is the second way to test whether our software is installed or not. The JDK 8 is installed or not. By using this command, you can able to understand. So basically you have to use java space hyphen version. So it will display what version of JDK it got installed. Okay, this is the way to test your software. I mean the installation process or steps. So far it's clear, right?
Correct.
Okay, now what I will do, now installation is success. Now what I will do, I will write one simple Java program. I will not write big complex logic, just I want to display hello world. I want to display this line. Just I will write a program and I want to, my main objective of my program is I want to display hello world. I don't want to use any Eclipse. Say for instance, I don't have any Eclipse. So developing by using Eclipse is very easy, but we will do that one maybe tomorrow, not today. First we will see without Eclipse how to survive. So then we will see advantage of Eclipse. Okay. First, if you want to see the advantage, first we need to learn the disadvantage. That will be good. So instead of directly learning advantage, just we need to pay some more attention how to develop a program by using just Notepad.
Correct.
So that will be give more advantage. If you say some 10, 11 years before or some 13 years before, there is no, I mean, Eclipse and all. We have only Notepad and command window only.
Right.
So how they are working, and nowadays, so that we will understand exactly what it will give the benefit. Correct? So now what I will do, let me save this one. Now I will close this window. So now what I will do, I will develop, I will generate, I will create a folder, demo. So I created a new folder here, demo. So inside this, what I want to do, I want to write my program, Java program. So for that, what I had to do, let me open a new notepad. So this is a plain notepad, right? First, what we have to do, let me save this program, this file as a save as a so I'm trying to save this file as a sample.java. So file name we can give anything, and the extension we have to give .java and save it. So the file got saved in demo location and the file name is sample.java. So far I have not started my coding, so you'll see 0 kilobytes. Correct? Okay, now let me open my sample.java. So here, so far we have not started coding. So how to start coding? So before start, now the file name is sample.java. when you are starting to write any program, we need to write a class. So we will see later what is class also. So let me write class. My class name is sample. So what is my file name?
Sample.
So try to give always the file name and class name should be the same.
Correct.
Even if you give difference also, it will not give any problem. But try to give same name, file name and class name should be the same. Okay. After that, what you had to open bracket, give some space, close bracket. Your class is ready now. Now save it again back. Now I did save, then you will see 1 kilobyte. Your class is ready. Inside the class, my main goal is what I want to do. I want to display
hello world.
Hello world. This is my goal, correct? So for that purpose, what we had to do, I had to do one more step. So I want to display hello world, right? So for that purpose, right, we need to start triggering the program in for some particular place. So the triggering the program is this one: public void static
main.
So for every word there is a meaning. That meaning I will tell you slowly. For time being, blindly try to remember these words.
Yeah.
So maybe after 2-3 days you will understand. You will get meaning of these words. For every word there is a meaning. Okay.
Yeah, you just need to run the without the public void static main, you would not able to run the code. You don't print.
We can able to run that also. I will show you.
Oh, okay. We can run it, but okay. That will print the code.
Yes. Basically, you will see 99% of the developers will follow these standards. But without this also, we can able to run the program and we can able to execute our statements. That also we will see later. But for timing, we will follow the normal standard process.
Okay.
So public static void main and string args. So this is the standard piece of code which will trigger our program.
Right.
Okay. After that, I want to display some of the information. If you want to display some of the information to the user, what you have to do, you have to use these words. System dot out dot println. So for every word there is a meaning. System is there is a meaning. Out there is a meaning. Println there is a meaning. That also we will see it later. For time being, try to remember blindly.
Right.
So now my program is ready. I want to display this statement to the user. If you execute this statement, it will display this lines to the user. Okay. Right. To display to the user, we need a tool like this, a programming code system.out.println. What you want to display? This is the piece of code, piece of line. Now your program is ready. You can able to read this program, right? But the software, whatever the Jdk, what we installed, that it is not able to read this program. This is for human being purpose. So, okay, now what you have to do, you have to convert this program which will Jdk will understand. Jdk will understand only the bytecode format. So how to convert this .java file into the bytecode format? So that is next step. So developing a program. Step 1.
Writing a program.
Writing a program, or you can say this one, sample.java. Okay. The step 2, what we have to do, convert into byte format. Okay. Finally, we have to run the bytecode. Correct?
Correct.
So why we need to run bytecode? Why we are not running Java file? Because Jdk is not able to understand the .java file. It will understand only bytecode.
Yeah.
So basically we need to generate one more file for Jdk purpose. software. Yeah.
Just outside of that,
Yeah.
isn't it all the program is understand to the byte?
Yes. So
Okay.
all the softwares, right? All the program means you are asking specific to Java or any other technology.
Beside Java, Python, many
Yes.
other languages. So all of them is understand the byte.
Java will understand we need to convert to the bytecode. For Python, it's not required.
Oh, okay. So
Python,
they
there is no compilation.
just only compilation.
Yes,
Okay.
just only write the program and run it.
Okay.
So that is the beauty of Python.
Okay.
For Java, we need to convert into the bytecode. Why we need to convert into bytecode, I will tell you later. There is a reason behind this. So Python, right? So I told you, right? Java is independent of platform.
Yeah. Right. Mm-hmm.
So I written this program in Windows operating system, correct?
Uh-huh.
If I convert into bytecode, then the converted bytecode will execute in any platform.
Huh.
So write program in Windows operating system and convert into bytecode. That bytecode will execute in any platform.
Hmm.
That we will see later. First, let me compile it. So now .java file is ready. Now what I want to do, I want to convert this into bytecode. So how to convert it? So what you will do, just open command window from this location. Press shift and right click. You will get this option. Open command window here. So right now we are under demo location. Correct?
Yep.
So now what I want to do, I want to convert my Java file into the bytecode. So
Okay.
for that purpose, what we have to do, you have to do compile. You have to do compile your Java program and convert into byte program. So for
Okay.
that, we have to use this command Java C space. Which program you want to convert into the byte? I want to convert sample.java. Java C is a keyword, and we will see from where you will get this Java C also. We'll see it later. Okay. For time being, just try to remember.
Okay.
Okay, Java C, and give your program name and press enter. So my Java C is not recognized. If you see, whenever you are running a program Java C sample.java, if you see Java C is not recognized, it means in your machine the Java C is not installed properly.
Oh,
See,
okay.
right now I installed, but the Windows variables and all I didn't do the setup. I showed you. Instead of click OK, I did cancel. Why? Because it's already installed in my machine. So for every team, right, I used to install uninstall, right? So there is some problem. So basically, you need to execute this command Java C sample.java. But right now, you will see this is one of the debugging issues you will get frequently. So if you see this Java C is not recognized as internal or external command, so then what you have to do? You have to go to your computer, right click on the computer, properties, and come to this window,
Mm-hmm.
advanced system,
Mm-hmm.
click environment variable,
Mm-hmm.
and go to this Java home and path. We have to verify whether these variables are valid or invalid. So if you see Java home
Mm-hmm.
and go to the path, so these two variables you have to check. So Java home is there, click on edit and take this location and open command window, paste it here, press enter. Then open command window, paste the location. Did you see that it's the location is wrong? Correct.
Mm.
So that's
Correct.
what Java C is not working.
Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Correct. So
Mm-hmm.
we need to give a valid value. So whatever this location is there, it's invalid. So that's what our commands are not working. So what we have to do, we have to give a valid installation location. Let me give some valid installation location. This is the way to fix the issues or debug the issues.
Mm-hmm.
Now go to installation.
Okay.
So let me check one of the installation JDK. Else, let me go to C drive, program files. It is not there. Here also is not there. So let me point to the installation location, whatever I did today. This is the frequent issue you will get when you start development.
Right.
Yes, this is my JDK installation location. Copy this location and go back to your home and click on edit and give this location. Press OK. So this is a valid location, right? Today we have installed in this location, correct?
Correct.
Now go back to another location. Now copy the bin location. Take this location and go back. Your path. Where is your path?
Tag value.
Edit. So if you see here, right, let me copy this entire piece of location, what information we are saving so far. If you see here, there is so much information is there. Our main goal is our JDK installation location is there or not. You see, let me copy this location and let me paste it, whether I can able to navigate or not. Did you see there what it is telling? This location is invalid, correct?
Yeah.
So
I think you're missing something on the after the bin colon or something.
yes, this I'm trying to check for existing location. See program files. So whatever is there, it's a invalid location. So I need to update my location. My location is
That one.
D drive, correct? The existing location is invalid. Maybe I did uninstallation for for every time I used to do this installation and next day I used to do uninstallation. So that's what JDK got uninstalled in my machine. Okay, right now this location is invalid, so I'm going to update this location with a valid one. With valid one means with my current installation location. This bin I will replace with D colon installation JDK temp. This is correct, right? Press OK. Press OK. Yes, now this is fine. Now go back to this window. If you type here, right, again you will get same issue. Why? Because we need to open a new window.
Right.
Close it. Open new window. Just try to type javac space.
Java.
So still it is telling javac sample. We need to restart our machine. We need to restart our sometime, right? What it will do, if it is even after setting it, if it is not working, what we have to do, we have to restart our machine.
Okay.
We have to restart our machine. Before that, what I want to tell you, I want to tell you some other commands. Let me go to the installation location. Go to installation. Yes. And here JDK template. So every time I am typing javac and Java, correct? So from where the commands will come? So go to your bin location. If you see here, Java is there. And come little bit down, you will see. Little bit down, little bit down. So whenever you are running Java C or Java, right? So we are giving this location also as part of your environment variable, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So if you see how we got the version, you ran Java hyphen version, right?
Uh-huh.
Java is a keyword. So how you got this keyword basically? So if you see your bin, right, you have a java.exe,
Huh.
correct?
Okay.
So whenever you are running Java, so this program will execute basically. So it will execute and it will give the results.
Present. Yeah.
Okay, you got it. So that's what we are setting the path.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever we are executing any command, Java or Java W, there are so many commands is there. If you see here, I will show some other commands also. See, Java W is there. So we are using this is for different purpose. Java W is S is there. Java C PL something is there. So these commands, how you are accessing from your window, basically we need to set this path to your environment so that you can able to access your and in your entire machine.
Mm-hmm.
Correct. So if you are not able to access means something wrong with this path. Correct. So now Java C is working, Java is working, but Java C is not working because the path location is wrong. So what I had to do, I had to restart my machine. So then it can able to recognize the Java C command also. Okay, so before that, just why I mean come to this point, so whenever you are typing this, whatever the Java C, Java, all those things, right? So these words, what it will do to look for the environment variable location.
All right.
So how many environment variables you are adding here? So these are your environment variable, right? So it will look inside your path.
Mm-hmm.
It will try to look into the location. Then it will go to the JDK temp bin location. If inside the bin it will find java c.exe, java.exe, then it will execute. If it is not able to find, then you will get this error, like this error. Java C is not recognized or internal or external command. Correct? If it is
Mm-hmm.
not able to find in this environment variable location, then you will get this issue.
Correct.
Correct? So that's what we are adding this path and all. So now you got right, like why we need to add this Java home and path and all. Correct?
Correct.
So if
Uh-huh.
at all, if you want to run your program by using command windows, then only you have to set this path and all. If you don't want to run your program by using this command windows, you no need to set these variables.
Oh, I don't need to set this variable. If I
Yes.
don't.
If you don't want to run your program by using command window, just install it. That's all.
Okay.
Just
Well, does it mandatory for the Eclipse to for the setting up the environment variable?
no, it's not a mandatory. So Eclipse, right? Whenever you are trying to install, what Eclipse will do,
Yeah.
Eclipse will look for the Java environment in your machine.
Oh, okay. It's automatically.
It's automatically it will recognize.
Oh, okay. So it just okay. It's automatically the Eclipse is configured to read
Correct,
the
correct, correct.
device.
Yes, yes. You no need to, I mean, do these steps. If you say this is an Eclipse, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right click on this program and go to that location. My Eclipse is there in this location. Paste it. So this is my Eclipse location, correct? So if you
Mm-hmm.
click this eclipse.ini, you will see here the installation location.
Oh, so it's automatically read it from the Eclipse.
It will read automatically. So that is the intelligence of Eclipse.
Oh, I see.
Otherwise, it's not able to use it, right? JDK. So because Eclipse don't have JDK, so it is expecting JDK from you.
Yeah.
So whenever Eclipse is trying to run, it required JDK. So what I mean, so this is an Eclipse you will download from internet, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Just Eclipse you will download from the internet. Eclipse don't have any JDK software. So whenever you are trying to run any program, so it will look for the Java installation in your C program files. wherever it is trying to it is have an intelligence to find out the location. Even if you're trying to install in D drive also, it can able to find out. After that, what it will do, it will run the program and it will give the output by using Java. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
So whenever you are trying to run program by using Eclipse internally, this is a black box for you. So Eclipse will use Java and it will compile it and it will it will show you the output.
Yeah.
But right now we don't have the Eclipse, so we have to do this. We have to open this black box.
Correct. We are not. Okay.
Correct. So that's what we are doing. All these circuits like setting Java home path and running
You're
Java
working
C.
in the Java.
Correct. So that you will understand behind the things. So that's what we need to execute all these commands. We need to make these commands to be available for terminal. Right now it is not working. So we need to restart my machine. Then once after restarting it, then I can able to access this command also. Okay. So after that, what I can do, I can able to compile the program. So and we need to finish our steps. We need to, right now we are in the third step, run bytecode.
Right.
So, sorry, we are at second step. Right now we have written a simple program. That's all. After that, what we are trying to do, we are trying to convert the byte program. So we are trying to convert Java program into the byte program. Correct. So we are at second step.
Right.
So
which
that
is you want to try to from
yes. Why? Because I need to restart my machine. If I will restart my machine, these connections, everything will go out.
Right.
As part of next class, right? What I will do, I will restart my machine, and from tomorrow I will start again from Java C.
Sure, definitely.
Okay. So we'll continue tomorrow from second step.
Sure.
How to convert?
Yeah. Also, can you forward me the note, please?
Yeah, sure. Definitely, I'll forward. Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
I will
And
send this note and the video also. Just have a look.
yeah, are you gonna update them in YouTube or something?
Yes.
Oh, okay then good.
I'll
Because
give the link so that you can able to visit the videos again and again.
right. Because I wanted to have it on the online so that even though if I lost my computer or something, so I can visit that.
Correct. Last time I think I didn't record it, so this time I already recorded. So record is already happening. So,
yeah.
So I can able to upload this video.
Sure, definitely.
Okay. Next time we will see how to convert this Java file into the bytecode and how to run it. So these two steps are pending.
Okay, sure. And after that particular, after you run this, just a quick question: would you able to on the Eclipse? There is some part that you were trying to show me the GUI, how to use it. Remember?
GUI means Eclipse.
Yeah, in Eclipse. When you're on your mouse, when you click on the right side, it just shows the how to use a not Eclipse. I mean to GitHub repository. Sorry.
Oh, GitHub repository. Yeah. So why? Because previously, what I used to do, every program, whenever I'm typing any program, what I used to do, I used to make the zip and I used to send in the email.
Okay.
So going forward, what I will do, I will not send these programs in the email. I will upload into the Git, so you can download. So your programs will be there in online always.
Oh, okay, nice. That will be good.
So
is it a private or you have it on private or public?
Right now, I don't have. It's public only, but it will be there forever.
Oh, okay,
I will never delete it, so that even if you lost your computer, if you format your computer, your programs will be there always.
Right. That's what I was kind of wondering, right?
Yes. I don't want to send in the email. If I'll send the email, then you will keep in your hard disk. If your hard disk got crashed, then the programs will be gone.
Yeah. So, Manohar, can you teach me on how to pull and how to push the code from Eclipse to GitHub and how to pull it from the GitHub on tomorrow?
Yes, I can. It will not take much. Even if you have some 10 minutes time, I can teach you now also.
You can teach me on tomorrow. It's fine also.
It will,
Yeah.
maybe it will take maximum some 10 minutes. I can teach you how to pull, how to push, how to commit, how to see the log,
Yeah,
how to
because I'm
clone
kind
it.
of struggling a lot of coding on Eclipse,
Uh-huh.
but I'm kind of struggling up pushing it to the GitHub,
Hmm.
right? Because I have the repository and everything. So for
Okay.
my
So
computer,
what you will do today, not today or tomorrow, whenever you have some time, just try to create a login location for GitHub account.
okay.
You have any GitHub account?
Yes, I do have a GitHub account, but my account is converted to like my company.
No, this
So
one is an open account, GitHub with your Gmail account.
right. I actually had it. It's
Mhm.
like for my own, and then
Uh-huh.
I converted to my company. So I still can open another
Yes,
one with
yes,
my
you can
different.
try to create one more email. And right now I have already account. If you see here, right, there is so many examples I have already uploaded.
Right.
So what you will do, just me log out and give me the original URL, so that will be good. So you open this location and sign up.
Right.
So
Yeah.
you try to get this location, and tomorrow when you are practicing, if you have this account, then it will be very easy for you.
Right. Because I want to push it and then pull
Yes,
it.
yes, that's
So
what
that
you can able to see the real time. Instead of telling theoretically, you can able to do push and
yeah.
all those things.
And then I will delete it again because I don't want
Later you can
to.
delete it. Try
Yeah.
to push one project and modify it, delete it, so that you do so many R&Ds. This is your location, right?
Right.
So that you can add some test projects, test files, delete, update, modify, and how to see the log, all those things. It will be useful for
Right.
you. So
Right.
try to create one account, and tomorrow I will tell you how to check it. I mean, how to commit a project, how to take a project from Git and all. Okay.
All right.
Tomorrow
Beautiful.
we'll connect the same time.
Sure. Definitely.
Okay, fine. Yeah,
Thank
thanks.
you. All right.